Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete Google reviews. So let's get started. So if you want to delete your Google reviews, what you can do is just open up your Google browser and then tap on that 9 dotted icon, which is also known as Google Apps, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on Maps. And after tapping on Maps, now what you can do is just tap on the 3 dotted icon or the 3 bar icon, which is on the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on this third option which says your contribution. After tapping on your contribution, now what you can do is just tap on review, and after tapping on review you can find your reviews. So now if you want to delete this review, what you can do is just tap on the 3 dotted icon which is on the top right of that review. Then you can find a number of options. You have to select delete review. Then you can find a number of options. You have to select delete review. After selecting delete review, now what you will do is just tap on delete. And after tapping on delete, you will successfully delete your review. So that's it guys, this is how to delete a review in Google. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below.